Guys, welcome to Bar and Breed's YouTube channel. So for today's video, magluluto po tayo ng chicken wings barbecue, Chinese style barbecue. So ito po yung ating Chinese style chicken wings barbecue na siguradong magugustuhan ng mga adults, especially ng mga kids. And napaka-easy lang lutuin. Ito po yung ating kailangang ingredients. We only need 3 ingredients. So yung garlic is optional. Pwedeng may garlic, pwede ding wala. So, linisin po natin yung ating chicken wings. Make sure na inalis niyo yung mga balahibo. Heather. I use 3 cloves of garlic, but if you like, you can put more garlic. I use barbecue sauce. So, i-dry natin yung ating chicken wings using kitchen tissue. Make sure na wala na excess water and dry na yung ating chicken wings. After natin ma-dry yung ating chicken wings, i-mince natin yung ating garlic. I use 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. You can put more if you like, but it's a little bit sweet. So, mix together our barbecue sauce and garlic and chicken. I put it in a tub with cover. So, i-mix natin mabuti. Mix it together and marinate it for at least 4 hours or better if overnight, para mas ma-absorb ng chicken wings yung marinade or yung sauce. So cover and put in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or up to overnight is much better. After 4 hours, pwede na nating lutuin. So we bake 15 minutes each sides, 180 degrees Celsius. So I prepare baking tray lined with aluminum foil, and then iput natin isa-isa yung ating mga chicken wings. And then yung leftover sauce inilagay ko sa ibabaw. Makikita niyo po sa video yung sauce nilagay ko sa ibabaw. And then bake for 15 minutes. After po natin mag-bake ng 15 minutes, i-bake naman natin yung other side for 15 minutes again. Ibaliktad natin. Ayan na po, after natin mag-bake 15 minutes each sides. So, nag-prepare po ako ng barbecue sauce at ini-brush ko po sa ibabaw. Ayan kung makikita. I-brush nyo po sa ibabaw ng inyong chicken wings para mas makulay. And then, i-bake ulit natin ng 5 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. After po nun is finish na. Ayan na po yung ating finished product. Chicken wings barbecue. Napaka-easy lang gawin or lutuin. Thank you for watching. Huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel for more videos. Bye-bye!